Yeah, that would be good. All right, let's have fun now. Yes, whatever. So you guys know that website. I hope you like cats. Ooh, give me that cookie. Anyway, let's see. Oh, we got a lot of images. What is all these? Oh, my cats are here. Cool. So, as you can imagine, oh, that was not the one. So, yeah, if I can do this on my laptop, I can do this on the cable interface. And yeah, here we were lucky, we had a nice girl. Well, I wasn't lucky when I tried. And yeah, it works, of course, for the videos. So YouTube, no, do I have something like, I don't know, Rickroll. Sorry, it was mandatory. Play. Oh no, you know what? I rebooted my laptop and I didn't load the damn sound, so I can't Rickroll you without music. All those unexpected problems. Ooh. Yeah. It's plugged, but I guess it doesn't like me. I could sing, but yeah, whatever. Okay, too bad. Well, I guess you were Rickrolled enough already anyway. But yeah, the video is of course here. And you can watch it as much as you like. Never gonna give you. Oh, well. So it works. Yeah, one more thing. Let's check the database. So here, the database should be somewhere here. Select start from HTTP logs. Ooh, all the logs. No, let's just do one more one last test. Man. The basic oath test. So you go here, you test the basic oath. You do click here, test. All right, so I generated some logs. No, let's look. It's really handy. Not sure you can't see. Sorry, but select start from HTTP logs where username is not null. Oh, here we go. Yeah. By the way, I'm not sure if you noticed. There is a big antenna at the end of the camping with, well, actually 3 of them. So if you used an encrypted stuff, it's probably dumped somewhere on my hardware. And it's in my database. All right, so I could show you a lot more stuff. I mean, there are dozens of things, but we're running out of time. I'll just go for the conclusions. So before this, okay, conclusions. So as a user, well, if BPI is not enabled, well, everything's public. Don't even, I mean, you know. Encrypt as much as you can. You can also probably go to your ISPs and beg him to implement BPI. And you can monitor your firewall to see if anybody is impersonating you, because you will have all those returns packet, but that's all you can do. The ISPs, please, again, enable BPI. It's really stupid not to enable it, especially seeing how easy you can all do all this. So you can bypass all the filters in the modem. Then, of course, the ISPs, they use like, they put protections to protect themselves with their private IP range. But once you disable that in the modem, you can access all the ISP's box, and well, it's not good for them. And yeah, impersonation. All right, if you have questions, it's the right time.
Just on the use of BPI. As you said, the only thing that kept you away from looking at the upstream as well was your girlfriend. So probably a person without a girlfriend or who has a girlfriend on vacation or so on.
I don't have the feedback here, so I don't understand really what you... Can you say again?
I tried. What is the use of BPI? Because the only thing that kept you away from reading the upstream, you said, was you didn't take time for that because of your girlfriend. So a person without a girlfriend or with a girlfriend on vacation probably will be able to read the upstream, if I understood you right.
So BPI, it's only about its encryption. So with BPI, you actually encrypt the packets. The problem with the upstream, it's first because it's a different frequency, and the normal TV cards usually cannot tune to that. And also because it's not QAM modulation or QPSK. It's like time division multiplexing, so each modem has a specific slot. They are all synchronized. They send at the right time, and with the QPSK or QAM modulation. So I don't have the hardware for that. If I had a USRP, probably, but even though you would only be able to sniff a few modems, probably only yours. I don't know.
No, I was afraid that you were standing there next year and tell us that you can play the man in the middle and that BPI is useless as long as DOCSIS is accepting self-signed certificates. Because if you play the man in the middle and you accept self-signed certificates, you can give each of the sides your self-signed certificate and repackage everything they want.
The thing with the certificates is just a problem with the configuration of the ISPs. They just allow certificate to be accepted. They don't have to. So yeah, there is. If you configure it right, it should work. But yeah, you could probably with the USRP code a rogue CMTS. And as you know, the modems they scan from bottom to top. So you go on a lower frequency, all the modems are going to register to you, and you know they always trust the ISP side. Why it's never a good idea.
I had a question. Is there any way, short of sniffing the traffic, to tell if your ISP is encrypting?
Sorry, say again?
Is there any way, besides sniffing the traffic yourself, to tell if your ISP is encrypting the traffic between the cable modems?
Yeah, all the cable modems, they have sometimes a web interface available on 198.162 or 192.168.100.1. And there you can see a few details, and usually it tells you if baseline privacy encryption is enabled or not. But most of the time that interface is disabled, so you cannot see and you cannot know.
Hello?
Do you ever get any packet loss?
What the question?
Do you ever get any packet loss, or can you capture everything?
Oh, it captures everything. I mean, yeah, I'm running this on a via C3 processor because it consumes nothing. It's like 500 megahertz. It's not even i686. It barely has MMX, and that's it. And at top load, it uses 20% of the CPU. So that's it. All you need is a bit of RAM to handle the ring buffer. But it's about 50 megs, so you can really run it anywhere. The bottleneck here is the I/O, because if you want to save everything, the I/O is struggling, and well, you can't do much about that.
Have you personally asked your provider to enable BPI? And what was their response? Or do you just want to play around?
Actually, I did. And they laugh at me. I call them and say, hi, could you please enable BPI because I can sniff all the traffic? They said, no, it's not possible. Yeah, I said, yes, it is. No, it's not possible. I'll prove it to you. Well, okay, fine, but I'm doing it right now. And, well, I hang up. I was pissed off because, you know, but of course you reach